Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So here we will know about what is SEO and benefit of it, content planning, keyword research, off-page SEO on content. What is SEO? SEO is a process of developing a website or social media search traffic. It helps you to rank higher in search engines results. For example, why SEO is important. Okay, so SEO means search engine optimization. The same thing by ranking for the terms that people are probably searching for. By ranking for the terms that people are probably searching for. See, people will search if for our event hall we are collecting so many keywords like related with banquet hall, event hall, the location, New York best event near me, New York in Queen's best hall, like this. We are collecting those keywords. This means people search with those keywords. That's why we are targeting those keywords, right? However, as others also attempting to rank, you are unlikely to achieve so without effort. This is why SEO matters. It helps show Google that you most deserve to rank. Now we will understand what are the benefits of SEO. The majority of searchers choose one of the first few results. SEO optimizes user experience. SEO is a long-term marketing strategy. Okay, without SEO, you can't do your marketing. That's it. You have to search the popular keywords. You have to do the SEO and then you can go with other things, okay, for marketing. So SEO is key to search visibility. Now moving to our next slide, that what is content planning. We all know what is content planning, right? How we can collect content, from where we will collect content. So here are some basic content requirements. That is required size, high quality resolution, expressing everything within fewer words, adding alt text, image SEO, hashtag related content writing. Keyword marketing, minimum 100 to 150 words, keyword setting, hashtag settings. Viral image marketing through social media, that is backlinking, off-page SEO, and share. We want to post our content, flyer, videos, and they don't allow us to post because they have some requirements of for site for with customized sites. So we can customize our site.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.